Welcome. Today, I'm sharing what could be considered famously successful marketer Gary Halbert's absolute biggest tactic for doubling sales. If you have an established offer right now, this can double your numbers almost overnight. When Gary started, he used simple number 10 sales letters, just black ink on white paper, competing against high-cost, multicolor Maggie logs written by the world's best copywriters. Yet, these tiny letters wiped the floor with them. Why? Because of the psychological tactic I'm about to show you. Here is a fact of life. People are skeptical. They've been burned before. They've ordered products that never came or were total crap. Even Tony Robbins found that in his early focus groups, people were ruthless. They wanted the results, but they didn't trust the salesman. A prospect once told me something profound. I like what you have to offer, but I don't know you from Adam, so I don't feel safe giving you my money. Most copywriters focus on the product benefits, but they completely fail at relieving this core distrust. This insight can make you rich. The tactic is called the 30-day hold. Instead of asking for money up front, you say, "Don't pay anything now. Take the product, try it for 30 days, and only then, if you're thrilled, do we process the payment." You remove the financial risk entirely. Let's look at the math. If you get 10 sales at $100 with a 10% refund, you net $900. With the 30-day hold, you might double sales to 20, but double your refund rate to 20%. Even then, you net $1,800. You've doubled your profit by simply shifting the risk. Here is the exact language. Don't pay anything now. We don't want your money until after you've tried the product. We will ship it immediately, but we won't process your charge for 30 days. If you don't like it, just let us know, and we'll cancel payment. When you remove risk, people become less sensitive to price. We've sold products for $350 that competitors sold for $100, simply because we made the purchasing experience safe. People aren't afraid of the price, they're afraid of being screwed. This is master-level marketing used by the most successful marketers and copywriters since Gary Halbert presented the concept at foremost copywriter Gary Bensavenga's copywriting symposium. It can be used to sell anything to anybody under most any circumstance. It turns losing ads into winners and winning ads into breakthroughs. Go forth, implement the 30-day hold, and be amazed at your revenue.